Hello everyone, it's Peter here from Inte.Team. Guys, so we've got a solution to this problem. We found a culprit and my technician did in general good job. Yes, he replaced all the faulty components. I cannot find more faulty components. I disconnected 12 volt section. I left only 5 volt section because it's a flyback type of power supply, so we cannot leave it just on its own, like buck converter for instance, yes, or other types. This is let's say a problem that if you won't leave this one source, you might either end up in trouble or something might not work. Yes, so I've checked all the primary side, which is here. Okay, this side I've checked and I was happy with everything's okay. Then I lifted it's called PC101, it's optocoupler, pins 3 and 4, the transistor side, so I lift them up and it was reading fine. The reading which I had wrong were on the PCB. It's because due to the circuitry over there, but that wasn't the problem. Now I lifted 2 of those voltage regulators and 2 of the fuses, you might say, to separate the 12 volts, disconnected completely. Okay, and I separated that and then I switch it on and it wasn't still working. So I've checked a few things, one diode over there's a Zener diode, that wasn't the case. And then I said, well, I need to test the transformer. As you know, you cannot use just L Henrys, yes, on the transformers. You need to use inductance meters, yes, like Messer 100. And then that will show you, because that generates 100 kilohertz, yes, if the inductance is there or not. So my meter was showing 0 ohms, but this didn't want to generate anything, and I knew that I've tested everything else, so we need to rewind the transformer first before this circuitry can work back again. I will be contacting the customer tomorrow, okay, but I wanted to show you as well on this. So here is one pin of the transformer, here is second, we've got C110 22 microfarads, 35 volts, yes, and we are on this section here. There is no shorts or anything, everything is by the book, yes, by schematics. So in that case, if we just plug in our Messer 100 here, we should get something, and I didn't. That's why I call it a no fix until we will replace the transformer or rewind the transformer, because I've got one customer, one contractor in England who is rewinding the transformers. Okay, so I will contact the customer, solder the missing components just to not forget about them, and then we will ask the customer if they want to make it a fix. This device is £1,000 online, so the customer will have a choice, either fix it or not. Yes, I would say, because it's of a higher value, I would say yes, let's do it, but it's up to the customer. I will just solder everything so that I won't lose the track of what's what, and I will put aside to inform the customer tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. As always, music from me is in the description of this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you. Bye bye.